What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, I want to give you a quick update on what's happening with Bitcoin because its price actually just made a very important move in the micro that you need to know about. So, looking at Bitcoin here, what we can see is that Bitcoin is now broken out of this descending channel that we've talked about in the last few videos. I told you all that Bitcoin on the 4 hours is around some type of mid-level of liquidity, right? There's a middle level of resistance in this macro channel that it's in. And if we're capable of breaking through this little micro descending wedge, we definitely could be on track to try to clear back up towards the top side, maybe even see Bitcoin test the mid to high $60,000 ranges, right? $64,000 to $68,000 towards up here. Now, what we can see is that, again, Bitcoin, yes, its price is now trying to make that breakout here as we speak. And now that we've gotten this breakout, I'm going to give you the next two steps that you need to be on the lookout for as Bitcoin does attempt to make this move. Now, I personally am doing a little bit of buying now that Bitcoin has broken out of this channel because I always do that. Once we clear a point of resistance, I buy. Simple as that, no questions asked. It's just a strategy that I implement, but I'm not buying a lot yet because there are still a few things that need to happen. Now, the next thing that needs to happen is Bitcoin needs to break out of this short-term Fibonacci zone in which it's in. You know, if I clear all of this off, let me clear this, and we just look at it from a Fibonacci perspective, from this swing high down to this swing low, what you'll be able to see is that we are still within the 618 to 786 zone. And you guys know that this is a zone in which will act as a major point of resistance. And until we're able to clear above it, there is still the risk that Bitcoin gets forced right back down, all the way back down to even set in a possible lower low. And so because knowing we're in such a major point of resistance and we don't have much to go until we clear it, I'm not going to do any more buying until, you know, we're finally able to clear this. Now, the 786 level sits currently at $61,274, and so that's not much higher than we are right now. By the time I release this video, we might have cleared it, and so that's step one. Now, of course, step two, once we clear the 786 level at $61,274 thousand, is that we of course come back up and clear this most recent micro high, currently sitting at $62,750. Once we're able to clear both of those levels, that then means that we did get a confirmed breakout from this descending structure in which we were in. We got the double layer of confirmation, which puts us in a perspective in which Bitcoin easily could start Fibonacci extending all the way up to maybe 64.6 thousand here, maybe even as high as $67,000 here, which would be an absolutely beautiful move of anywhere from Fibonacci 1, 6.7%, Fibonacci 2, 10.7%. Now, the more simplified version of that is that Bitcoin just cleared out through this descending channel. What I'm looking for now is for it to clear $61.2 thousand and then $62.7 thousand. Once it's capable of breaking both of those zones, I think that we could easily start to push back up towards 64.7 up to 67,000, leading the rest of the market upwards as Bitcoin does start to attempt to reach into some of these higher zones and maybe even retest the top side of this descending wedge in which it's been in since May. And so I just wanted to give you a quick update letting you know, listen, we finally got the breakout of this channel. Be on the lookout for the next two layers of confirmation because we could start definitely seeing Bitcoin push towards the upside as this market does hopefully start to move in towards a green direction. So if you guys do like these quick, fast, straight to the point updates, guys, don't forget, all I need you to do is just drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, while you are down there, don't forget I also have a second channel where I talk about the broad market, talk about fundamental analysis and much more, in which you can also check out down in the comments and in the description as you are down there, dropping a quick like. But that's going to be it for today's quick update. Of course, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Peace out, everybody.